Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode. Today we're looking at yet another banana leaf recipe, my mom's shrimp in banana leaf. So let's get to it. For this recipe, we're going to need about 2 tablespoons of onion paste, 1 teaspoon each of chili and turmeric powder, 3 to 4 green bird's eye chilies depending on your desired level of heat, about 1 cup of coconut blended with a little oil, 1 sliced onion, and of course some salt. Now it's time to mix the masala. Mix all the ingredients together with about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now you can add your shrimp. You can use shrimp with or without shells. It's really a personal preference, but make sure to wash and clean the shrimp before adding. On a 12-inch nonstick fry pan, place at least 2 banana leaves. Spread a little vegetable oil on the top leaf with a brush or paper towel. Now we're ready to add the shrimp mix. You don't really have to space them apart since it's a curry and they'll all cook together. Once done, cover with at least 2 more leaves and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes covered like this in medium heat. Pro tip, you want the banana leaf pieces to be slightly larger than your pan. Now comes the flippy part. To cook the shrimp evenly, we have to flip it. Take 2 large lids and slide the whole thing slowly on top of 1 lid. Here my mom adds 2 old leaves from the top, but you can add 2 new leaves. Cover it with another lid and quickly just flip. Now gently slide it back on the pan and cook for another 20 to 25 minutes. And here comes our surprise ASMR. And there we have it, guys. This recipe is originally my grandmother's. She always used to make it when we visited her in the southern region of Bangladesh. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please leave us a like and a comment if so. And for more Bangladeshi home-cooked recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Ciao.